Welcome to the kitchen on Wake Up Nigeria. What's up?
Cool.
I've been making friends with her so much because everybody's like jealousing me, just standing next to you. All right, so would you like to introduce yourself? Go ahead.
Yes, I'm Belinda Isoimeme. I'm a chef. If I want to hype it, I'll say CPFM and, you know, I'm going to...
Go ahead. Hype yourself. I like it.
HACCP qualified and... Let me keep that first.
HACCP qualified chef.
HACCP qualified chef. And
all right.
So today I'm making seafood, mixed seafood. Yeah. Not just one. Combination of animal in the water.
I like that. Animal in the water.
Okay. Mixed seafood with rich vegetable pottage. Emphasis on rich vegetable. I didn't just go to pick some vegetable. No, rich indeed. So,
speaking of
vegetable
rich
pottage.
Vegetables, we have an array of vegetables here, and as you can see, it's very colorful. Look at that. Okay, so let's start listing the vegetables we have here. Let's start with this purple one here.
That's cabbage, actually.
Purple cabbage?
Yes, it's species of cabbage, purple cabbage, yes.
And then we have...
That's cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Some people call it cauliflower. We pardon them because they are laymen.
Cauliflower, purple cabbage. Then what's this?
You have your minced ginger and garlic.
Okay.
Fresh, yes.
You minced it yourself?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful. Okay. And then we have here?
Red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell. So those are bell peppers in their different colors. Spring onions.
Yes, so. And then
we have an Irish potato, which we are already
cooking. All
All
right. So I'm not sure if we can get a shot of what is in the pot here, but the seafood you made reference to, which types of seafood are in that pot right now?
Yeah, there we have calamari, we have barracuda, we have shrimps, we have prawns, and we have a lot of them.
Barracuda, shrimps, prawns,
calamari.
So before you put, I know seafood, it's important to start cooking seafood as quickly as possible.
Yes.
Which is why we started before you came to us. But what did you add to the water in the seafood?
The water, yes. I marinated the seafood before I started cooking so that the ingredients will sink in it.
What did you marinate it with?
With spices, seasoning, black pepper, ginger and garlic.
Okay, so how long has that been on the heat for?
For 10 minutes.
Okay.
It will go, because it's already shredded, it's not whole, so it will cook fast. In another 5 minutes, it will be done.
All right. So we're boiling potatoes here. These are Irish potatoes, peeled, right?
Yes, peeled and diced. We have medium diced there.
Medium diced. I don't know the difference between small diced, medium
diced. Small diced, medium diced, and large diced. So today we're working with medium diced.
I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. This amazing bubbly chef is going to be with us till the end of the show. Make sure you stay with us and learn a thing or two from her. Yes! We're in the kitchen and I've been dancing a ooh na 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 yeah dance. Yeah, we've been jiving in the studio because the smell of the food, the aroma, is just so Chef Belinda. Chef Belinda aroma. Welcome to the show. For those that missed out earlier, we started making something special. You called it seafood pottage, right?
Yes.
Seafood pottage.
Rich vegetable pottage.
Rich vegetable pottage.
Yes.
Speaking of rich vegetables, we're going to go over them again. We have a very colorful array of veggies here. We have purple cabbage. We have red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, green peppers, spring onions, and carrots. Now, you're putting in ginger and garlic into the pan.
Yes.
Now.
Yes.
And carrots.
Carrots, yes.
So what are we doing now?
I want to saute the vegetables.
Okay.
Yes, sauteing it separately before adding it all, because I want to saute them, add some seasoning in it. I want it to have taste of its own. Okay. You know, there are some food you eat, when you bite into the vegetables, they have different tastes. Your food is not as sweet as the food itself. Okay. So when you saute this with your different spices and seasoning, you will feel the taste from every bite. Okay. No one is leaving anyone behind. So I just added tiny little oil to a non-stick pan, so you just go.
All right, beautiful.
Then I add them according to their state. So
we have a list of ingredients that's going to pop up on your screen in just a bit, so you can probably try this at home as well. We have carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, mixed spices, black pepper, spring onions, red bell pepper, garlic, ginger, potatoes, seasoning, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and yes, the green and yellow bell peppers. So once you have all these are things you could probably have in your fridge or in your cupboard. The aroma is just intense in the studio here. The seafood that she talked about is a mixture of prawns,
calamari, broccoli, barracuda.
And there was one more, I think.
Calamari, barracuda.
Is there octopus in there? No?
Octopus is calamari.
It's calamari, okay,
yes,
yeah,
worked on. As in worked on. Just like pork and ham, bacon and all those ones.
Beautiful.
Everything is pork. So.
All right, so now these carrots, what are you looking out for before we know that these carrots are done?
Sweat. Now it's already sweating. So
okay.
I think we are good to go. So we can add according to how strong they are. Okay. We won't just turn everything into it at the same time. Okay. The broccoli would have come in, cauliflower would have come in now. Parboiling that. You know, at times that could be a bit hard. So I don't want that hard finish. So I have to parboil it a little to blanch it per se. Okay. Then add into this.
Beautiful. All right. So what's the next thing we're adding?
After the cauliflower comes in, I'll add this.
You add what?
The bell.
The bell pepper?
Yes, the bell.
All right. Bell peppers all going in now?
The bell pepper.
That cauliflower that you mentioned earlier, did you add anything to the cauliflower? Did you add
just salt? Just salt.
Just salt?
Yes. Okay, so when they come in here, I will not add all the seasoning all together. All the spices and seasoning I need to use. You see the colors. I love colors.
So do I.
My food must be colorful. Yes.
Oh my God, I'm loving you more and more every second. Okay, so
this and this will come in last because they are not as strong. Yes, yes.
Okay. So the cauliflower now, are we ready for that? Let's do that now. Let's see what we can do. Napkin. Okay, beautiful. All right. So I like cauliflower, but it does have a bland taste.
Yes.
So I guess that's why you added.
I added salt to it, yeah, so that.
All right. Ooh, look at that.
Somebody saw this and said, in food like this, he said, this looks like chicken leg. You know those feet, really? Chicken feet? He said chicken leg. I say.
But is it expensive? Cauliflower, is it expensive?
Really. You can get the quantity you want. So you can't just, if you're buying plenty, but if you want small one, you can get 500. Even you tell them to just cut for you 200 and 300 and you can get. Really? So there's really no. Some people say it's an expensive vegetable and they don't even go near it. Not really. Not really expensive. Yes, depends on who you are buying from. There are some that are considerate. They'll say, okay, let me give you the amount that you want. Then they just they come in. But there are some that will say, I don't make and finish now. So.
Wow. What about the seafood? Is the seafood expensive?
To an extent, yes.
Okay, all right.
To an extent,
so,
yes.
but you bought it as a mix?
Yes, I bought it. No, I bought it as a mix.
Okay.
There are some that you mix on your own. If I was making more quantity, like for 50 people and everything, I'll buy them, mix them on my own.
Okay.
I mix them, yes. But this one, I bought it as a mix.
Okay.
So
now we can add our spices. The spices we have here are black pepper. What else?
Black pepper.
Yeah. What else do we have?
Mixed spice.
Okay.
Some will go like this.
All right. Do that again, do it again. Sure. I like
especially when they're adding salt. Some chefs they like to just do paparazzi. They don't want to add salt, they not go. Okay.
I love it. But I can see you didn't use that much spice. You just used a little.
Because it's still going into our main pottage, yes. Okay. And that one is already seasoning and everything.
So speaking of pottage, we have potato here. You said this is medium dice and we've parboiled them.
Yes.
So how and when are we adding this to the whole mixture?
After this sauteing now, we put that calamari, that cooked seafood on fire again.
Yes. Okay.
Then we begin to mix.
Okay. So
we have some pottage in here. We have some
potatoes
in here that will get done, and because I will need to match some to give it that pottage feeling.
All right.
So I left them in that water. I will match them afterwards. They will not add.
I can't wait. And I can see you have some, is this fish sauce here?
No, just tomato
sauce.
Yes.
It looks beautiful. It smells amazing and very healthy to the eye.
Very healthy. That's the cocoa of it. You know, these days, anybody that wants to eat, please, fit farm. Fit farm.
By force. So, Tokwe is standing by. Have you heard, Tokwe? Fit farm. Have you heard?
Bossman.
Hey
Yeah.
guys, how you doing, man?
Fine.
Yeah.
Nice to have you on the show. Please have a seat.
Yeah.
Chef.
We've got our chef in the kitchen
Yes,
this
sir.
morning.
Okay.
Doing something special.
Chef
Titi.
Belinda has made this amazing seafood pottage.
Okay.
Sharply tell us what you did to
Yeah.
get this way. Get
Okay.
this far.
I made a seafood with rich vegetable pottage. So I made that because these days we hear fit farm, fit farm. I'm watching my weight. I want something healthy.
Yeah.
So that's why I came up with
Healthy
that.
alternative for you this morning.
There you go.
I'm actually on that fit
that
farm
note,
table.
right?
So this is a good combination
So you
for
can
me.
start from anywhere. Let us know what you think.
Okay. First, we need to pray. Father, Lord, bless this food. So it gets into the right places in Jesus' name.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Seafood pottage.
Where do I start?
Please have a
Wild
taste.
Legion.
So this is a combination of potatoes, different types of seafood, shrimps, calamari, yes,
Barracuda.
prawns. Love it, love it, love it. So what do you think? What
This
do
is
you
good.
think? That's what we wanted to hear,
To come learn
people.
from you.
Well done. Thank you for stopping by this morning.
Yeah.
And big thank you to our chef.
Yes, sir.
Belinda, well done.
Homely NG, thank you for the kitchen accessories. And of course, thank you to our band that are standing by.
They're standing by in the garden and they're going to be doing something special to take us out into the weekend for tomorrow's show at 6 a.m. Don't forget.
Yes, sir. Bye.